Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Heated rose quartz will not regain its color upon irradiation. That mineral makes up only about 0.05% to 0.15% of the overall weight of rose quartz. The mineral will bleach when heated above 500 degrees Celsius, but will not regain its color when irradiated.
Take our lead.
The temperature of the crystal is a reflection of what is going on with the negative energy blockages. The crystal can get very warm, even hot, when a negative energy has been overcome and you are charging the cells.
Let's help you make your mark.
What does rose quartz attract? One of the many rose quartz benefits is that it attracts an abundance of universal love, whatever that means to you. Maybe it's healing your heart chakra. Maybe it's to help you find the perfect partner. Maybe it's just to illuminate dark parts of your life with a little love.
Let's help you make your mark.
Material from some of these deposits will fade when exposed to natural light, but its color can be restored by irradiation. Research by Russian crystal growers on synthetic pink quartz has demonstrated a color-causing mechanism, which can cause results very similar to the natural material.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.